Burst shots are a series of photos that are taken in rapid succession when you press and hold the shutter button on your iPhone camera. The iPhone then selects the best photos from the series and presents them to you as a group, making it easy to choose the best shot. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use burst mode and take burst shots on your iOS smartphone. But before we move, we really appreciate it if you'd like and share this video so that it will also reach others who need the same information. Now let's get back to our topic. Whenever you're ready, open the camera app on your iPhone by tapping on the camera icon from the home screen or app library. Once you're in the camera app's main screen, swipe the shutter button to the left. This method is applicable on the iPhone X's, iPhone XR, and later models. If you're using an iPhone X and earlier models, touch and hold the shutter button instead. The number of shots you've taken will be shown on the counter. Once you're finished taking burst shots, lift your finger to end or stop. The burst photos will then be saved in the Photos app, particularly in the burst folder. To access all saved burst shots on your iPhone, just open Photos, then tap Albums. Navigate to the Media Type section, then tap Bursts. There, you will see all saved photos captured in burst mode. To edit a burst shot, simply tap to select the shot you want to edit, then tap Edit on the upper right side of the screen. Make all necessary adjustments and photo enhancements and then tap Done to save changes. To share a burst shot, just select the burst shot photo that you'd like to share, then tap the share icon in the lower left corner. Choose your preferred file sharing method, app or actions on the edit menu, then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions. Burst shots are perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like pets, kids, or even sports events. You'll never miss a moment again. And that's all there is to taking burst shots on an iPhone. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.